going to be the studio or the gallery, but there you go. The studio is now in the front hallway, what was the front hallway, and the gallery space is the spare room. Not that much spare space. Here to burn the available carbon, so it comes out here searching for oxygen. When it sucks back in, it means there's enough oxygen for it to burn inside.
Oh gosh! Where's the umbrella? I need a freaking umbrella! Oh no! Here it comes! Whoa! 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 You okay? Yes.
No, it's a little bit too low.
This looks yummy. It looks like chocolate.
That's a nice one. Whose is that? Oh, it's mine.
It's nice to be proud of what you make.
Wow.
Yeah, some of them work, some of them didn't. That's nice.
Oh, this is what you love.
The finger impressions.
Reaction.
Super cool.
Centres. So we're all going to kind of go in all directions in a moment. So can I just interrupt you?
And I personally learned heaps and heaps, and I know that what you've been showing us and sharing with us has had an impact on everyone. To Eddie, I'm not sure why, but I think Eddie made
hands off, hands off.
made a tremendous impression on all of us and scared us off glass blowing, so he's got the professional to himself. On that reoccurring theme, there is something I'd like to say, and I'd like to thank you for making me realise that sometimes old habits are just hard to break.
Thank you so much for the wonderful help you and inspiration you have been to us with the tea ceremony, and for introducing us to something of the philosophy of the Japanese world. What a delight you are to sit with. We will never do that again. So don't ever expect any more emails about us singing together.
Feels safe. Feels safe.
You and you're just such an angel. Thank you.
Thank you all very much.
Actually, I'm not prepared for the speech here, but I'll just go for it anyway. Steve, this is for you from us for being so fantastic and just organising things to the most perfect degree. So thank you. What else? What can I say? I can't.
Thank you.
Thank you. And we know we weren't allowed to, but bad luck.
Thanks. Thanks everybody. See you next year.
We were measuring temperature, okay? So we got a very, very lovely slump form.
It's really good.
It's really beautiful because this is right where at our peephole. And a Marini that is also very nicely fused, as you can see.
Check it out.
If you want to take the slump molds as well, but if they're all broken, we'll leave them and just ask for some.
The bisco's behind you.
Okay, bisco's right there.
Yeah.
Being aware of what the shape of the glass is. Imagine if I'm prying in like this and this glass shoots out here. You gotta know what you're cutting away. That's why.
Okay, these little bits can come off.
You guys saw Eddie was talking about the reservoir, how this was filled to the very top, but how much air was inside, so how much it settled.
Scraping it off.
This was using clay as a positive, right? Clay as
Robert.
location in
Yuka! Yuka!
Yuka, you're
A girl like you, it wasn't all that hard. I think I love you.
But I wanna know for sure.
'Cause baby, that's the way it is.